guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have my holiday giveaway. This is one of my favorite times of the year. I mean overall, and also one of my favorite videos because I like to be able to give back to you guys, even if it's only one person during the holidays. Thank you guys just so much for supporting my channel, for being so positive this year, for encouraging me, for uplifting me. Just you guys' support means the world to me. So I'm happy to be able to do a little something for one of you. I wish I could just have one big day and spend time with all of you guys, but unfortunately I can't. But I'm excited to do this giveaway for you guys. So this year I am giving away this Nars 54th, it says Studio 54, maybe I'm wrong, but it's this Nars gift set which I have not opened. I also do not have this set. I like to give you guys things that I don't have myself. I just feel like it's really special. And what comes in the kit is this little pouch that has Nars Studio 54 on it. It has a nude liquid lipstick, a mauve liquid lipstick, and a red liquid lipstick. So the colors are Fly, Robin Fly, Funky Town, and American Woman. And Nars liquid lipsticks, I love them. They have great formula, awesome pigmentation. They feel very comfortable on the lips. They are very lightweight. I love the formulation. I purchased one maybe almost 2 years ago and I fell in love with it this year. So I'm giving you guys something that I really do like myself, and something that I think one of you guys will be super excited and appreciative to have. It's also like a really nice gift set. It's perfect for the holiday season. So I'm going to be giving this to one of you guys just for being there, for being a great supporter and a great subscriber. So many of you guys have become my friends. It's just awesome what this little community on YouTube can really do. So the rules will be very simple. First, you must be a subscriber. You also must be over the age of 18 or have parental consent, because I do have to send you something in the mail. You can live anywhere. It's open internationally, I believe. Sometimes you can't ship liquids in the mail, but we'll try to get around that. I mean, hopefully I can ship it in the mail. But all I want you to do is leave a comment down below telling me how you are spreading peace, positivity, and love and cheer this holiday season. That's really important to me. You guys know I've been on this whole peace journey, and this is part of my way of spreading cheer to you guys this holiday season. I'll also be doing things in my everyday life, but I just think it's really important to spread love and positivity, especially during the holiday season, no matter what you celebrate, because it can be a hard time for some people. And if you have a family, if you have people who love you, great friends, you should definitely appreciate them. So I always think it's nice to just spread love and cheer and give back to others. I think that's what should make you happy during the holiday season. So that's all I want you to do. Tell me how you're spreading love, positivity, and holiday cheer, or anything like that. And a winner will be picked on December 25th. So this giveaway will end December 24th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will pick a winner on Christmas Day and put up that video, and then you'll have a week to contact me either in the comments section or through my email. Yeah, so we're gonna do it that way. So I hope you guys like the giveaway item. I wanted to get something that was a little special and that was very festive. Once again, thank you so much for your support throughout the year and throughout all the other years. It's been a great year. So let me spread a little holiday cheer. Let's get in the spirit. If you're looking for a tutorial on this look, I have done it. If it's not already up, it will be up tomorrow or the day after. It's going to be my holiday makeup tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck. Spread some holiday cheer. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.